Hi, here are those two Hunter original fans. I'll be showing them a low, medium, and high with remote control that's made for those original. They are currently in low speed. The low speed actually seems acceptable with those new remotes, unlike the old remote or wall control for these originals. The MLB PC is what came with the remote kit, and that's where the receiver is stored in. The original KNLP is too small to have a receiver fit. Sorry I can't show the dimming function because the light bulbs are fluorescent. But I can show that the lights are not dimming at all when I was holding the camera button. So it means I have a fluorescent detect. Anyways, I think it's a good remote to use on an original. The only problem is that the medium speed is a little too slow. I just wish it was more between high and low. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please have a comment, rate, and subscribe.